In today's video, I'll teach you how to trade on IQ option. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. Click on the search bar and type in iqoption.com/trader room. After you do that, you'll be led to the official website of IQ option, or you can also open the IQ option application if you want. Make sure you're logged into your account. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. So first of all, you'll have to select the asset that you would like to trade. For that, what you have to do is first of all, click on the asset that is selected right now. Now you'll be able to find various assets over here. You'll be able to find the options like trending, options, margin, watch list, etc. Here I'm going to take an example of binary. For that, what you have to do is click on the option binary. Now simply click on the asset of your choice. Now after you do that, you can see over here that particular asset will be selected. So trading is actually very simple. First of all, what you have to do is specify the amount that you would like to trade. Click on the field of amount. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. Simply click on the amount of your choice, or if you want to enter the amount manually, what you have to do is simply click on this option. Now after you do that, you can see over here you'll be able to enter the amount manually. Now after you do that, also select the expiration time. For that, what you have to do is click on the option expiration. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. Simply click on the option of your choice. Now after you do that, if you think that the price will go higher according to the amount that you selected, what you have to do is simply click on the option higher. Now after you do that, you can see over here the expiration time will be started. Likewise, if you predict the price will be lower when the option expires, what you have to do is simply click on the lower option. Simply analyze this chart very properly. After that, select the option of your choice. Now after you do that, once the expiration time passes, your deal will close and you will receive the profit if your prediction was correct. So like this, you'll be able to place a trade. So that is how you trade on IQ option. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.